So arithmetic sequences are kind of cool. You know, you're just adding a number to the previous term to get the next one, right? Okay, so hopefully you're getting that concept and it's okay. But let's say you wanted to find like the 100th term. You don't want to have to do the first 99 terms, right? Well, it's easier than that with an arithmetic sequence. So think about what we're doing. We're taking the first term and we're adding a difference, right? Well, then that's to find a sub 2, right? And then we're taking, to find the next term, we're taking the first term, or the second term, and adding another one, right? And then to find the next one, sorry about that arrow, you're adding another D, right? And you keep doing that. So how many D's are you adding? Well, it depends on which term you're finding, right? So we have a general term that says, well, let's look at this one. This would be a sub 1 plus 2d, right? And this would be a sub 1 plus 3d. And then the next one would be a sub 1 plus 4d, and so on and so forth. So the formula comes like this. If you're trying to find the nth term, say the 100th term or something, then you're going to take the first term and you're going to add one less than the term you're on times d. So like here we were finding the third term, we only need to add 2d's. Here we're finding the fourth term, so we had to add 3d's. Because you don't need 4d's because you have the first term already, and then you're adding to that. So hopefully that makes sense. If not, at least write it down because that's the formula. So that's the formula for finding a general term of an arithmetic sequence. Now you could, if you know a sub 1 and you know d, you can find the 100th term. Okay, so here's an example. Find the 8th term. That means n is 8, okay? Find the 8th term of the arithmetic sequence whose first term is 4, so that's a sub 1, and whose common difference, that's the d, is negative 7. Okay, so we pull out our formula that we just got, our brand new formula. Write that down. And then we plug everything in. We're going to find the 8th term, so we say a sub 8. A sub 8, that's a little tricky. And then we're going to put in the first term, which is 4, plus, what is n? N is 8. 8 minus 1 times, and then what's the common difference? Our d is negative 7. All right, now we have to do the math. 4 plus 7 times negative 7. Order of operations here. And then we have 4 plus a negative 49. So we're getting negative 45. So the 8th term is negative 45. So the common difference was negative, so it kept going down by 7, right? Okay, and you could find the first 7 terms and see if we're right, but it's quicker to use the formula. Okay, so now you have the general term for an arithmetic sequence, a formula for finding the general term.